Go Sharky, go Sharky, go. Oh, hey guys. Hi everybody. How are my dinos doing? I didn't see you there. Well, last week we talked about water cycle. Can anyone tell me why we care about water cycle? Well, we care about the water cycle because water is necessary for all living things. Can you guys tell me one thing that needs water? That's right, you. And anything else? That's right, me. In order for us to survive, we all need water. So it's very important to keep the water clean. And I want to say thank you for doing your job at it. Okay, get your worksheets ready and your crayons. First, we're going to write our names. I chose blue today. What color did you guys choose? I like that color. Now take your time. There's no rush. Like I said, you guys are getting better and better each week in writing your names. Okay, let's read the directions. Connect the dots, then color in the hidden shape. Okay, let's connect the dots, then color in the hidden shape. Wonder what shape this is. Can't wait to see what comes out. Grab any color you like. Let's start from 1. We're going to connect the dots. 1 to number 2 to number 3 to number 4 and to the end. Great job! Look, we got a square. We figured out the hidden shape. Great job! This is then color in the hidden shape, which is the square. Now that we colored in the square, I'm going to color the arms green. What color are you coloring them? Oh, I like that color. That's my second favorite color. Hi, Mr. Square. How are you? Okay, let's read the bottom. How many sides form a square? Let's read it one more time. How many sides form a square? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides form a square. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides form a square? That's right, 4. Let's write it in. I'm so proud of everyone. You guys did such a great job. Now this is my favorite part. We get to color the background anything we want. We get to let our imaginations run wild. I'm going to color the whole background a lime yellow-green. What color are you coloring your background? Oh, that's a great color. Now that I'm done, I want to color blue waves. They look more like sound waves. How do you like my background? Aw, thanks. I love your background too. I'm so proud of all of you dinos. Take a look at your creation. You're amazing. Until I see you guys again next week, think of all the things that needs water to survive. Have a great day. Bye.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!